Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is my outfit of the day. My Captivity Caftan. So this is how I dress when I'm around the house. And I don't have to look like no old hag because I'm stuck in the house. So this is where I like to chill around the house in caftans. And I just got this one. I was looking through my Amazon Associates account and I could see the certain things that people had bought. Some of my honeys had bought using my links, my Amazon links. And I saw somebody had bought this. I don't know who buys what, but I could see what's being bought. And I said, oh, this is cute. I got to have that. So ain't this cute, y'all? Very lightweight. Colors are nice and vibrant. I like this little doodad stuff around the neckline. And I want to thank you so much for shopping using my Amazon links. Because I get a little something if y'all use my link. And I thank you so much because every little bit helps. Thank you. So let me get my pose on. And I'm 5'9½", and this is where it hits me. If you're shorter than me, it may go to your ankles or close to your ankles. And most people are shorter than me. Okay, let me get my pose on. I'm loving this. I don't even know what kind of material this is, but it's not the satiny ones I've been wearing. It's a lightweight cotton, and it don't wrinkle. That's how you tell if a fabric's going to wrinkle or not. Because I used to sew. So I'd be in the fabric store doing this, balling up the corner of the fabric to see if it's going to wrinkle. This doesn't wrinkle. And I can't get over how lightweight it is. Wow. Much lighter than the satiny ones. Okay. So, I'm getting ready to get in the kitchen and fix me some quarantine cuisine breakfast for lunch. It's a little afternoon here. Walter's still asleep, so I'm gonna eat. I'm starving. I usually just eat once a day, and I usually don't eat until maybe 3:30, 4 o'clock, which ain't good, especially if you got diabetes. I know it ain't good. That's what I do. So, I want y'all to see again how cute this is. And I got this in the size, well, the largest size they have. This actually comes in little sizes. So I got the largest size they have. I think it's a 22 to 24. And the seams are actually out here. No pockets. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Because most of y'all ain't subscribed. You watch, and I'm grateful. How come you don't subscribe, y'all? Thanks again for shopping my Amazon, using my Amazon link. Thank you very much. And a lot of you all have bought so many air fryers. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. So I'm going for real now. Y'all be blessed. Bye.